Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to start mathematics revision of TET. That exam mathematics is very easy if you have learned this all chapters perfectly in 6th class to 10th class. So your syllabus is from class 6 to class 10th. Questions will come. Okay, I think you have uh, fractions. Okay, fractions, that questions, profit and loss, discount, this all chapters will come in this, and normally this type of question will become 2 by 3 plus 2, this type of question. I will tell you trick, plus I will tell you how to solve how to solve these questions, and I will tell you trick. Okay, before go telling you trick, I will tell you how to solve that question first. Okay, I have bring some 10 to 15, 20 questions for practice from previous paper of TET. Okay, let's begin. So first question is 3 by 7 plus x. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Okay, then x equal to. Okay, I am giving for each question 2 minutes. If you want to solve, you can try and tell the answer. Okay, see here, first one is 14, second one is 10 by 7, third one is 7 by 14, fourth option is 2. So see here how to solve this question. Okay, 3 by 7 plus x. Okay, now see here, 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 17. 17 by 7. Better to find it. Okay, better to find this verification, check options. Okay, I am taking 2. Okay, so 3 by 7 plus 2 will give 17 by 17 or not. See here. Now here 1, 7. Denominator 7. 3 plus. Okay, 7 to the 14. 3 plus 4, 17 by 7. So when we are putting the value 2, it's absolutely giving answer 17 by 17, means option number 4 is the correct answer. If you put 14, means what you will get answers here, 3 by 7 plus 14. You will get 14 7 the 2, 14 4 7 the 28, 998 plus 3, 101 by 7 will get. Keep all values and try. I kept directly 2, we got 17 by 17. So 17 by 7. So fourth option is the correct answer. Fourth option is the correct answer. Now moving to next question. Very easy, very easy questions you can solve. Okay, see here. Just you should know basic maths. If you know the simplifications, is it very easy. Okay, now see here, 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. 15. Okay, again we should find x equal to. Okay, again we should find x equal to. What we will get? 33 by 32, 35 by 33, 32 by 33, and D is 33 by 35. Okay, now how to solve this question? See here. Now here you can see this So here 9x cross multiplication. So here 9, here nothing there means take as denominator 1. So you can write as 9x equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x. This step is clear. After this step, the crystal step will come. After that you will get answer. Okay, now see here. Here 3 3s are, here 3 5s are. Clear? I have cancelled 3 table. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Clear? Now see here. 3x equal to, here see. Now 5 into 7 minus 6x. And you got your answer. Yes. But still you need to solve. See here, 3x equal to 5 into 7 minus 6x. So again 3x equal to 5 7s are 35. 35 minus 42x. Oh, sorry. 5 6 are 30. Minus 30x will come here. 30x. 30x. Now see here. If we transpose here means 3x plus 30. 35. So 30x equal to 35 minus 3. If you solve this, you will get answer 33 by 35. It will go there. Yes, correct. 33 by 35 is the answer. Okay. Now see here. Next question. Five students of a class. 5 students of a class collected rupees 110. 5 students of a class collected rupees 110. Now see, rupees 110 each for the prime number, each for the prime minister. Prime minister. Okay. Now relief fund. The money they collected together. The money they collected together. How much? Okay, together is. So see here, I am giving 2 minutes. Tell me this answer. Tell me this answer. I am giving some time. Okay. Now see here. 5 students of a class collected rupees 110 for the Prime Minister Relief Fund. The money they collected together is. So 5 students collected how many rupees? 110 rupees. Together they are asking. Together means just multiply this 110 into 5. You will get 550. That's 550 rupees is the correct answer. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. This. Second option is the correct answer. See, once again I am explaining. 5 students. They are telling The money they collected together. That's why I multiply 110 into 5. And 110 5 you will get 550. That's rupees 550 is the correct answer. That is option number B. Option number B. Okay. Now one more question. Very very main question. I think they can give numerical change. Okay. When I was writing exam, I also got this question. In that exam also this question came. In which exam this type of question will come, we don't know. So practice. I am showing you trick. Okay. This question taken from the chapter class 8 or 10 linear equation. Okay, linear equation. When you will learn, when you will see this question, if you have remembered about 8 class chapters questions, you might can solve these questions. Okay, so listen carefully. One of the two-digit number, one of the two-digit number is 3 times. One of the two-digit number is 3 times of the other digit. If you interchange the digits now see here, interchange the digits of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number. You got 88, then the original number is okay. Now you are writing exam, the 3 minutes left, last 3 minutes left or 1 minute left. So you have one question left. The question is this type of question. Okay, first you saw this question and you leave because I don't have time. I will do next question. At last when I will complete all questions, I will once check this. Okay. Now at last 3 minutes, you may try this question to solve. You take 2 minutes to think and 1 minute to solve, but you will not get. Okay, for if you can do, you will do and you will tell that x equal to this number. You take at least 5 minutes, but you have only 3 minutes. So that's why I am showing this question trick. What is that? See here, the two-digit number. We should get 88. Okay, here 26 is there. If you add in this option any number, both here like these two numbers, you should get 8. Remark, suppose if they given 99 means if you add this you should get any one number 99 9. Okay, but here 88 is there. So see here none is there. 5 plus 6 11, no. 3 plus 6 9, no. Then enters 2 1, first option. 2 plus 6 will give us 8. 2 plus 6 will give us 8. Okay, 26 is there. Okay, now if you interchange 62 and we should add why? See here, resulting number to the original number and add the resulting number to the original number. Okay, you got 88, then the original number is 6 to 8, 8. You got 88, means which number? 26. Which option is? A option is the correct answer. 26 is the correct answer. Now see here, convert 7 by 8 into percent. Okay, percent. Now see here, 7 by 8 into percent. What is meaning of a percent? If you have listened this name first time, this name, so first we will learn about what is meaning of percent. Percent meaning, best example. Now IPL is going. Okay, Virat hit the first century in this IPL. Now century means 100. Okay, if you see cricket, okay, you can tell easily the definition of percentage. Percent per 100, century per century, century meaning 100. Okay, century 100. Okay, now you should multiply with 100, means here see here 7 by 8 is there na, we should multiply with 100 to calculate percentage. Okay, you will get 8 1 za 8 25 za. No, wait 2 4 za 8 and 4 25 za. If wait 1 second, wait, we will do in different method. So 7 by 8 into 100, 700 by 8. So 8 8 is 64. 8 9 8 8 is 64 is possible. Okay, 64 70 74 60 left. 8 8 87 1 by 2 is approximately, you will get the answer. 87 by 1, 87 1 by 2, wait. So 8 7s are 56.5 you will get, I think. Yes, 0.5 you will get. 0.5 meaning 87 half. That's the correct answer. Okay, C option is the correct answer. Please subscribe, share. Please subscribe, share, and if you have any doubt you can comment. Now moving to next question. Now see here. The cost of frock in a shop was rupees 750. The cost of a frock in a shop was rupees 750. The sales tax charge was 10%. Then the bill amount is. So see here how to do this. So see here first rupees 750, and here what is the tax charge? 10%. 10% means 750 into 10 by 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. You will get 75. You got 75, and this 75 you should add in this frock amount. You will get the bill amount. So see here, 750 plus 75 gives us 825 rupees. 825 is the correct answer. That is option number 2. How many of you know this option number 2 is the correct answer? So see here, once again I am explaining. So see here, the cost of a frock in a shop was 750 rupees. The sales tax charge was 10%, and the bill amount 10%. 10 by 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. You got 75, and this 75 you should add in this 825. Okay, now moving to next question. So see here, the value of improper fraction minus proper fraction. Improper fraction minus improper fraction. So see here means the value of 16 by 5 minus 7 by 5. The value of 16 by 5 minus 7 by 5. So see here, I have told you a trick. What's that trick? See here, whenever we should divide with 5, you will multiply numerator with 2 and we should add. If your 5 is there means you should, after 1 point number you should keep decimal. If you are 50 means after 2, 500 means 3. So your 5 is there, so 2. Here multiply you into 2, you will get 32 and keep 1 point. You will get 3.2. minus. Here same 7 to the 14 1.4. Okay, what you will get? 32 minus 14, how much? Tell me. First 32 minus 12, 20 minus 18, 1.8. Okay, 1.8. And if you 1.8, 1.8, which what is the fractional form of 1.8? Okay, so see here, otherwise you can do direct. So see here, LCM is 5 and 5, 5. Okay, 16 5 are 85. You will do like this, but absolutely wrong. Tell me how you should do this. This is very easy question now. We will do this in exam. I am giving some time, you tell. Now see here how to solve this. Simple. So here LCM is how much? 5. Okay. Now 16 minus 7 gives us 9. 9 by 5. Which option check? See here 9 by 5 will come. 9 by 5. Option number 2 is the right answer. Option number 2 is the right answer. Now moving to next question. Next question is, in the equation 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5. If x equal to 0, then value of a. Okay, value of a. Options are 5 plus minus 5 minus 5 or. Now see here what is how to do. So see here, we should put first read question. In the equation 2x square plus x minus equal to 5, if x equal to 0 means you should keep x equal to 0, then we should find the value of a. Now put x equal to 0 in this, so what you will get? 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a equal to 5. You will get minus a equal to 5. Now see here how you get minus a. 2 into 0, 2 0 square first, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus a equal to 5. Now all will tell minus a equal to 5. But it is minus a, not a na. Then how you can tell it is a equal to 5? So this sign should transpose here. You will get minus a equal to minus 5 is the correct answer. That is option number C. Someone will put all or someone will put B. But this is absolutely wrong. 50% voted to this and 50% voted to this type of question. This all are plus 4 minus 5. Wrong. Minus 5 is the correct answer. Okay. Minus 5 is the correct answer. Now see here. Suppose A and B are positive real numbers. Suppose A and B are positive real numbers. Then a plus root b into a minus root b. So this type of question you need one formula to learn, but you have learned this formula. Yes, in 6th class, that is a plus b into a minus b. You will get a square minus b square. Multiply this a into a. First I am writing here a plus root b, a minus root b. A into a square minus root b into root b. You will get root b whole square, and square root cancel. You will get a square minus b. Which option? Again B option. Wow. Correct answer is option number B. A square minus b. A into a square. A into a square. Root b into minus root b. Root b whole square. Square root cancel. A square minus b is the correct answer. Okay. Now moving to next question. Now see here this question. To get a imaginary root of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c should be what? B square equal to 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, or it is less than 0, or it is greater than 0, or it is greater than equal to 0 but not there in us. So what is in quadratic equation? I have made the video. You can go and learn quadratic equation chapter right now. Okay. Now see here. B square equal to 4ac you will get when b square equal to 4ac. No, not 4. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 means discriminant equal to 0 means when the roots are equal and distinct. Okay. And b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means you will get real roots. If it is less than 0, then you will get imaginary or complex. Go and read quadratic equation. They can ask many questions from this chapter. So which option is right answer? Fourth option is right answer. And most of the people voted this question only. Okay? Good. Move on to next question. Trigonometry question. So see here, if 3 tan a equal to 4, then what is the value of cos a? Tell me. If 3 tan a equal to 4, then what is the value of cos a? So see here, 3 tan a. If you transpose this, tan equal to 4 by 3. Tan a. Okay? 4 by 3. Now there is a right angle triangle. Okay? One side is hypotenuse. So here, what is the opposite side? 4. Here opposite side 3. Okay? This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is adjacent. Okay? Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. That's why opposite side by adjacent side. So here 4. Do this sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse by cos theta is cos theta is how much? Cos theta, tell me. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Opposite by adjacent. That's why here 4, here 3. Now if you want the cos a value, we need the hypotenuse. But here there is no hypotenuse. I am telling the hypotenuse is 5. Yes. Sir, you did 35, that's why you are telling direct answer is 5. But no, there is a reason. You should know Pythagorean triplets. So see here, what is we can, Pythagoras theorem. Root over, we should do opposite square plus adjacent side plus side square. 4 you will get root 25. Root 25 is 5. By this side is 5. Now tell me what is answer. Very good. So see here, cos theta or cos a equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay, adjacent by opposite. Here adjacent is 3. 3 by 4. Wait. Clear? Equivalent of 15 by 35. 100% students will do this question. Absolutely, they will tell correct answer only. I am sure. 100% students will do this question. And this question asked in that exam, which year I don't know, but I have taken from this model paper. Okay. Now see here, 15 by 35 equivalent. 5 3s are 5 7s are 3 by 7. Now I am telling 0.01% chances are there to tell wrong answer. 99.91% I think they will tell correct. 0.1 wrong or 1% wrong. Okay, so 3 by 7 is the correct answer. Now moving to next question. Now 2 questions in a row. From that, see this question. The length of a horse is 400 centimeter and a lizard